AT&T Internet Air for Business provides high-speed internet using AT&T's 5G network, ideal for businesses needing flexible and scalable internet without traditional wired connections. This fixed wireless broadband service delivers high-speed internet via radio waves from cell towers using 5G technology. No need for coaxial cables or fiber optic lines. The 5G gateway is a modem router that converts cellular signals into Wi-Fi and wired connections. It supports up to 128 devices with Wi-Fi 6 and multiple Ethernet ports. Key features include business-grade security with WPA3 encryption and VPN pass-through for secure remote access. Potential speeds up to 500 Mbps depending on location. As of 2025, AT&T's 5G coverage reaches over 70% of the population, making Internet Air a viable alternative where wired infrastructure is lacking. First, unbox the gateway, antennas, power adapter, and SIM card. Check for any damage and ensure the SIM is properly inserted. Position the device in a well-ventilated area with a clear view of the sky, ensuring strong signal strength. Use the AT&T coverage map to confirm 3 to 4 bars. Next, power on the gateway. The device will boot up in 1 to 2 minutes, and the LED lights will indicate when it's ready. Download the AT&T Internet Air app. Scan the QR code on the gateway or enter the serial number, then follow prompts to activate your business plan. This may take 5 to 10 minutes. Once activated, the gateway will automatically connect to the 5G network. LEDs will indicate signal strength and connection status. Configure your Wi-Fi settings like the SSID and password via the app or web interface. Enable business features such as guest networks or VPN for secure access. Finally, test your connectivity using a speed test tool. Connect your devices via Wi-Fi or Ethernet for optimal performance. If you encounter any issues, reset the gateway or contact AT&T support for assistance.